Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019, where Mandeville Primary is on 21 points, Glenmuir Prep on 16 as we go into the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer. They lose 2 for each incorrect answer or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on our NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock. It's anyone's match. Mandeville, Glenmuir, all the best. We begin with local affairs teams. It's a visual question. So look at the monitor and identify this person. Glenmuir. He's president of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Richard Pantohi. Sports. For which English Premier League football club does Paul Pogba,
Manchester United. Manchester United.
Paul Pogba play? That's correct. Bible knowledge. How old was Abraham when his second son was born? Mandeville.
120.
That's incorrect. It's 100 years old. Science. Which word starting with V is the name for the part of an experiment which can be controlled, fixed, or changed? It's variable. English language. By using the word goose, give an expression which means to do something pointless. Mandeville.
To be on a wild goose chase.
Judges. Accepted. All right, that's correct. Music. Which Jamaican female artist recorded the single Rapture? Glenmuir.
Coffee. Coffee.
That's correct. General knowledge. In what country would you find the cities Krakow and Warsaw? Mandeville.
Finland.
That's incorrect. It's Poland. Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this local actress. It's Yana McIntosh. Mathematics. What's the sum of 89.45 and 12.89?
What?
Mandeville.
102.34.
That's correct. Social studies. What's the general name for the people who come after us? For example, our children and Glenmuir.
Generation.
Descendants.
Descendants is correct, Glenmuir. Television. In the Lion King movie of 2019, who voiced the character? Mandeville.
Beyonce.
Character Pumbaa, the correct answer is Seth Rogen. That's incorrect. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Glenmuir.
Christian Coleman.
That's incorrect. It's Jamaican hurdler Kemar Mawat. Bible knowledge. What was the man whom Balak asked to curse Israel? It's Balaam. Science. What type of mixture is salt water? Mandeville.
Brackish.
That's incorrect. It's a solution. English language. What does the contraction shan't? Glenmuir.
Shall not. Shall not.
Shan't mean shall not is correct. Music. Holy Ghost Gym is a single by which local? Glenmuir.
DJ Nicholas. DJ Nicholas.
Local gospel artist. That's correct. General knowledge. What's the name of the main island in Japan on which the capital? Mandeville. On which the capital city, Tokyo, is located. It's Honshu. Local affairs. Who is the Minister of State in the Ministry of Education, Youth and Glenmuir?
Orlando Terry Long. Orlando Terry Long.
Judges. Judges. Not accepted. It's Orlando Terry Long. Mathematics. No time to complete that. What a close match. It's Glenmuir Preparatory on 18 points. We have Mandeville Primary on 17 points, which means congratulations to you, Glenmuir Preparatory. Excellent effort by you, Mandeville Primary. And you, stay with us. We'll be back after this.